The Bible predicted an explosion of information long before technology existed. Daniel chapter 12 verse 4 says, "Knowledge shall increase in the last days." It does not say wisdom will increase, only knowledge. That distinction matters. Information without wisdom creates confusion, not clarity. We now have unlimited access to answers, yet little understanding. That imbalance was the warning. More data does not equal more discernment. Without wisdom, knowledge overwhelms the mind. This prophecy describes modern life perfectly. Part 2 explains why wisdom must be pursued intentionally. Comment Amen. Your blessings are on the way.